I'm Olin.
I'm Joe or Jojo, it's up to you, either one.
My name's Brandon Bacchino.
My name is CHERYL Moore. The thing about Property Revolution that stands out to me is the fact that we really care about what we do. While I only have a part of the tasks in completing the job as a whole, I get to hear and see as it progresses. I just take pride in knowing that not only I'm doing my job well, but others are equally doing well at the various things that they have to do. It comes together as a whole.
The most enjoyable thing that I find, mostly the siding process, is from start to finish. You show up in the morning talking about the project and then going through and getting everything done.
The differences every day that we make in people's lives and the projects that we do.
Oh, the place is fantastic. I love working here. It's great. You're not going to find another company like it, is one way to say it.
Kurt is more of a one-on-one, get to know you type person too.
You go to any other company, depending on the boss, they're not going to really take care of you. That's what I have experience in with a lot of other businesses I've worked at. But this is one where we do get treated like family and we do get taken care of, so.
It is like a band of brothers.
Oh, my name's Tony Heinzman, Anthony Heinzman, but nobody calls me that. We were doing a deck out by Delton. We're rocking and rolling. Homeowner comes out, looks at the deck, looks at us, says, looks nice. But you do realize it's supposed to be a 14 by 12 deck, not a 12 by deck. 12 by 12 deck, right? Me and Brandon look at each other. We look at Joe. We look back at each other. It's like, really? We ended up building the deck, tearing the deck back apart, reframing it, and putting it back together and having it halfway decked in one day. How we did that, I have no idea. But we did.
We have razzed a couple new guys. One of the best ways we've done that is to send them to the trailer for a board stretcher.
I have not found the board stretcher. I'm still searching for it till this day. I would definitely recommend Property Revolution to anybody who's interested in construction, learning construction.
If you want to learn and you're good at working with your hands and stuff, it's definitely a good place. If not work the rest of your life, at least build a lot of skill.
I've already had so many friends work here, Josh, Stewie, Isaac, Travis. I've recommended this company to like 4 or 5 of my friends, but if they didn't already have jobs that they love, they'd be here right now.